Hello, this is the demonstration of the project MindsUnited. MindsUnited is a platform for collaborative development of solutions for in these 17 categories of sustainable development goals for 2030 by United Nations. This project was developed as a project for our coursework. So the system models the real-world scenario of international organization with offices throughout the world. So we have board and users with three different roles: typical users, representatives, and board members. Board receives a solution from users and decides whether to deploy the solution in the real world. Let's run this project was created using Flask macro web framework and using SQL Alchemy or Flask run 405050. Now the server is running. For demonstration, I have created mock setup of database records, so we can log into accounts of these users. Let's try. Okay, login, Einstein, login. This is the dashboard for a user. As you can see, there are links for different categories. When you click on that, this will show posts on different categories. For example, on the category we have chosen. So this is post type on solutions, on publications. Okay. Now we can create our own publication. Example publication. Some text. Okay, let's choose this. I put this text because there's constraint to make them post more meaningful. We can choose post type and its categories and hit publish. So we have created our post, and now different users can come and discuss our post with us. We need to write meaningful comments. Currently, there's no upvoting system, although upvoting exists in database, so we can delete the comment. Now, the most interesting part is this button, create request. When we click on this create request, a new user request object will be created and assigned to representative. Then representatives can see these requests and decide whether to approve to escalate this post to board. Then if board confirms the post, the solution in the post will be deployed in the real world with resources allocated. So let's try create request. Now calling username, it's Einstein, receiving representative. Now our request is assigned to this representative. Confirm it false, linked repo request not created. We can delete our request now, but let's try to log in to the account of this representative. Well, logged in. As a user, representatives can also create their own publications, but let's see their requests. This is Request Manager. Both users and representatives have Request Manager. Outgoing requests are requests created by the current user. Incoming requests are those for representatives. Outgoing representative requests are requests from a representative to the board. Now there is no request to a board by a representative. Let's approve our users an instance request. Approved starts change to true. Now we have a new outgoing representative request. When you click on approve, when you click on the approve link, a user request created a new representative request that's now assigned to a board. However, in this current version, the board part is not yet implemented. Let's talk about the logic behind it. Behind the scenes, the system uses a simple algorithm to assign requests to representatives or boards. A representative with the minimum current incoming requests will receive a new user request. A board with minimum incoming requests will receive a new request from representative. So this is the main logic. The project may seem simple, but the most intriguing part is the implementation of this complex DB schema. There are 18 tables in the database. To facilitate creating different users based on roles, the SQL alchemist joined table inheritance concept was used. Using this functionality, we can create different tables, different types of users from a single class. So far, many things are not yet implemented. For example, AI integration to process posts and create new insights. Essentially, this is a platform to create a registry of knowledge and also solutions to problems and collaborate. Thanks for watching. That's all.